Refresh your wardrobe as the spring blossoms into summer with the Lanai Handkerchief Dress. Free sewing pattern. To get it, make sure to click on the link in our description to get the free PDF pattern for yourself as the spring blossoms into summer with this beautiful handkerchief dress. This dress is a beginner-friendly sewing project for sewists of all skill levels. Designed to keep you cool and comfortable, this dress radiates with energy and personality. The cotton voile perfectly complements the essence of the handkerchief dress with a vibrant echo. As we eagerly embrace the sunnier days of the year, our closets look for a touch of brightness and ease. Don't let its stylish appearance be intimidating. How to sew the Lanai handkerchief. Dress-free sewing pattern. Step 1. Pin the 2 layers of the main fabric, right sides together, then sew center front and center back with 1/2-inch seam allowance. Step 2. Pin the 2 layers of the lining fabric, right sides together, then sew center front and center back with 1/2-inch seam allowance. Step 3. Create the shoulder straps by folding it over, right sides together, and sew with a 1/4-inch seam allowance. Use a loop turner or a safety pin to turn the strap outward. Repeat this step for the drawstring measuring 60 inches long. Use a hand needle to sew the ends closed for each strap as well as the drawstring. Step 4. With right sides facing each other, pin the lining to the main fabric at the neckline. Leave 2 small openings, one on each side of the back, where the notches are located for the drawstring casing. Step 5. Pin the shoulder straps to the top front corners, sandwiched facing in between the main fabric and the lining fabric. Then sew the 2 layers together along the neckline with 1/2-inch seam allowance. Step 6. Understitch the lining fabric to the lining seam allowance as close as possible to the seam. Turn to the outside and press for a crisp finish. Step 7. Tie the drawstring over the dress to demonstrate where the casing will go. Use pins or tailor's chalk to create a path indicating where you will sew the casing. Step 8. Start on one side of the back notch for the drawstring casing, then sew across the top following the path to the other side of the back notch. Sew 2 rows of stitches running parallel, 1 inch apart from each other. Step 9. Use a safety pin to get the drawstring through one side of the casing and back out the other side. Step 10. Roll the bottom edge of the lining fabric a 1/4 inch twice and sew to create a rolled hem. Step 11. Roll the bottom edge of the main fabric a 1/4 inch twice and sew to create a rolled hem. Congratulations on completing your Lanai handkerchief dress. We hope you will enjoy this sewing process. Whether you're basking in the sun at the beach or enjoying a laid-back picnic in the park, this dress is sure to stand out in so many different fabrics. So don't be afraid to show off your bright side by using colourful solids and loud prints this spring/summer. If today is your first time watching any of my videos, or perhaps you've watched 1 or 2 and are not yet subscribed, all that you need to do is press that subscribe button down below. By doing that, you've joined our family. And also, feel free to share some feedback, by pressing the like button. That is also feedback enough. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.